Olympic gold medalist Simone Biles made it clear that enough is enough when she testified in front of Congress today. Her emotional testimony was part of a hearing in a congressional effort to hold the FBI accountable after multiple missteps in investigating Larry Nassar. More than 265 girls and women were sexually abused by the USA Gymnastics team doctor. A recently released internal investigation by the Justice Department found that the FBI made fundamental errors in that investigation after USA Gymnastics first reported allegations to the FBI's field office in 2015. Here's Simone Biles testifying earlier today.
As you pursue the answers to those questions, I ask that your work be guided by the same question that Rachel Denhollander and many others have asked: how much is a little girl worth? I sit before you today to raise my voice so that no little girl must endure what I, the athletes at this table, and the countless others who needlessly suffered under Nassar's guise of medical treatment, which we continue to endure today. We suffered and continue to suffer because no one at FBI, USAG, or the USOPC did what was necessary to protect us. We have been failed, and we deserve answers. Nassar is where he belongs, but those who enabled him deserve to be held accountable. If they are not, I am convinced that this will continue to happen to others across Olympic sports. In reviewing the OIG's report, it truly feels like the FBI turned a blind eye to us and went out of its way to help protect USAG and USOPC. A message needs to be sent. If you allow a predator to harm children, the consequences will be swift and severe. Enough is enough.
Now, the FBI has acknowledged its own conduct was inexcusable. In 2017, Nassar pleaded guilty to abusing 10 women and girls. He is currently serving up to 175 years in prison. All right, still with me, criminal defense attorney Fallon Stokes. She joins us from Atlanta. Fallon, you know, I'm so glad you're a guest because as a former high-level athlete involved in some of these systems that are meant to raise these athletes through a system, I'd love to get your thoughts on this case.
Well, it's tough, especially when you think about being a kid. I was a former college athlete. You have trainers, you have doctors, all who are there and you trust to take care of you if you have injuries, you need treatment. So for these young girls to be entrusted in Nassar's hands, and he's treating all of these Olympians or just well-trained athletes, young girls who are at critical stages, formative years, where they may not really understand what was going on, but they knew something was definitely wrong. And they voiced it, and it went ignored for so long. So Simone Biles is right. Like, there needs to be checks and balances, and the people who had a blind eye to this, they need to be held accountable. Nassar's serving basically the rest of his life in prison. So he got what he deserved, but it's others, so many, that nothing's been done. And the FBI really dropped the ball on this one by sitting on these accounts for so long before they took any type of action.
Yeah, amen to that. Definitely. I agree. I think some of these folks involved in these investigations need to be held accountable as well. It's not unlike what we're seeing going on with the police. Stuff needs to be broken down. Messages need to be sent. So hopefully that will happen. All right, Fallon Stokes, I want to thank you so much for joining me this evening. Truly appreciate you taking the time to be with us